Hello and welcome to the Construction Operating System, how to stand out and get ahead in the construction industry. I'm so excited to have you here today, and I want to say thank you and congratulations for taking this huge step to improving your life and advancing your career in construction. And I'm grateful to be on this journey with you. Just a quick note before we get going. The fact that you're willing to invest some time and energy into completing a course like this makes me know that you have what it takes to be successful. So, whatever your goals may be, we're looking forward to helping you achieve them. So, the objective for this course is to equip you with the necessary knowledge, skills, and guidance to transition from construction worker to construction professional. You may be starting at different points in your careers. Maybe you're just starting out, maybe you're halfway through, maybe you're towards the end. The beauty of this is it teaches techniques and skills that will work regardless of your age, background, or experience, because it really focuses on the human element and the glue that holds everything together in construction. You might have figured this out by now, but construction is an extremely technical industry. But at the end of the day, it's about people working together. We don't receive that training, and that's the intention here is to differentiate yourself from your peers, stand out, and get ahead. I wanted to start with a quick little quote that I think really encapsulates this course and this whole movement of the human side of construction. And that is the quality of your relationships will dictate the success and happiness you experience in both life and work. Now, you might be thinking, well, why did you put that life part in there? Because I'm here to learn about work. These skills are going to help you improve relationships, regardless of whether it's work or in your personal life. The same tools and techniques we're going to learn, you can apply with your colleagues at work, your managers, your supervisors, anybody on site or in the trailer. But you can also apply them to your home life, whether it's with your spouse, your kids, your relatives, because it focuses on the human element. Just a quick note on myself before I get started. My name is Angelo Suntries. I am the founder of Human Side of Construction. I have 20 years construction experience, mechanical engineering background. I never went into engineering, though. I went right to site and started working on the mechanical subtrade. And over my career in the 20 years, I've managed and pursued over $2 billion worth of projects. I started as a project manager, worked my way into estimating, and now I'm operations manager for a mechanical construction company. So I'm still active in the industry. I've worked at various levels of leadership. I started from the bottom up, basically. I was a project coordinator, worked my way up to assistant PM, then PM, and bounced around a little bit. I've worked on the owner side, and I understand the struggles from all aspects of the industry. And what I've noticed as my passion for construction has increased over the years, so has my frustration with the way things have operated. And that's how the human side of construction was born. It started with the book, which has taken off. I've helped over 500 construction professionals, and now I'm here today helping people like yourself. So I'm very excited to be here and to be helping you out. Some housekeeping notes before we get started. Number one, grab your workbook and a pen. You'll hear me mention this a bunch of times, and we're going to take pauses at the end of each module. You'll get the most out of the course if you actively use that workbook and fill it out as we go. It will provide you as a reference guide after the course to keep you on track, and it'll really help to provoke some thoughts that will help assist you through this course and in your career. Number two, leave your worries at the door. Whatever brought you here, maybe you're frustrated, maybe you're upset, maybe you're thinking about leaving the industry, maybe you just got passed up for a promotion. Leave all that stuff behind. Just take the next 50 minutes or so and really soak in the content and put all your efforts into being here. Put your phone down, put it on silent. Those notifications can get pretty distracting. So just be here and focus on the course. Number three, pause, reflect, and take notes at the end of each section. See, I'm already reminding you. It's really important to, and it's the course is structured such that we're going to pause at the end of each of the four modules, and it's going to give you a chance to fill out the workbook while the content and inspiration is fresh in your minds. And lastly, get ready to be open for a transformation. Okay, you're here, you spent the time, you spent the money, you want the transformation, so you have to let it happen. Okay, so be present, take in the information, put in the work, and you will achieve what you're trying to do. Okay, so just a quick overview of the course outline and the information we're going to jump into in just a minute. So the course is broken into four simple modules that are built upon each other. So we're going to kind of progress as we go through. So number one, we're going to start with the foundation, building your personal brand. Okay, so in this section, we're going to empower you to establish a strong personal brand within the construction industry. And this is going to kind of start the journey on how you can differentiate yourself and separate and stand out from the crowd. We're going to use that information and we're going to build on it in the second module. We're going to work on building authentic connections. And here we're going to explore practical strategies to foster relationships within the construction industry. Now, there are certain things that you have to keep in mind because we're dealing with certain personalities and different crowds within construction. So we're going to look at some of the details there. And the emphasis will be on authentic connections, not just using people to get ahead, but building relationships that'll stand the test of time. Then we're going to jump into module 3, where we're going to look at strategies for career advancement. Here we're going to equip you with actionable steps to advance your career within the industry. So we're going to use the personal brand that we built. We're going to use the techniques that we learn about to build authentic connections, and we're going to put it into practice. So we're going to look at some techniques and ways that you can really build those solid foundation, those relationships. And lastly, we're going to put everything together in module 4, where we're going to look at your path forward. And in this section, we're going to come up with a guide on how you can chart your career trajectory and continue your growth within the industry. Here, we're going to look at some goal setting, milestones, and steps to get you where you want to be using the tools that we learned in the previous sections. And without further ado, it's time to get going. So take a pause, check your workbook, set the intention of what you wanted to accomplish in this course. You're here for a reason. Make it crystal clear before you jump into the module. I can't wait to see you in the next section.